Franklin Dwarf Mini Franklin GTA 5 Mod PC version. Franklin is the character of GTA 5 and very popular by players. This ped includes a jacket, Bermuda, shoe, hair. Install instructions. Place the whole 5M folder within your server's resources folder, rename it to Angel_Franklin and add ensure Angel_Franklin on your server.cfg file. To set the ped to a particular person, you need to have a skin shop script, but the usual command for that is /skin_id namingofskin. Single player installation. Requirements: add-in peds by Neth0D. Installation. Using OpenIV, put all files into GTA V mods update x64 dlpaxadonpeds dlc.rpf-peds.rpf. Run add-in peds, run as admin. Click new ped, input the name Angel_Franklin. Set ped type to male and is stream true. Press rebuild. Done. Click link on description to get the file.